Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our local studio reporting series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to create a Google Ads campaign performance report. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be basically creating a report like this, you know, where we'll have uh, some KPIs for scorecards. Then we'll have a table, then pie chart, table with the bar, then time series. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Perfect. So you can see over here, I have already connected my data source. So if you don't know how to connect the data source, then what you need to do, you need to click on this add data. Okay, then you need to select your Google Ads account from here, then you'll be ready to go. Okay, perfect. So first of all, let's rename this report. So we'll name this like this Google Ads campaign performance dashboard. Google Ads campaign performance dashboard report. Okay, perfect. Now we need to design this layout. Okay. So first of all, we need to take the help of this shape. Okay, so let's go to the shape section. Here is shape. Now I'll be taking this shape. Let's give it. Maybe we need to reduce some height. Okay. And the shape background color would be white. So we're going to be changing the background color to white, and I'll give the border radius as 10. Okay, and we'll be adding the border shadow. Perfect. Now we need to write this text. Google Ads campaign performance report, then this data source and this difference. Okay, so I'll take the help of this text. Google Ads campaign performance report. So I'm gonna write Google Ads campaign performance report. Okay, maybe I can drag this. Then I'm gonna decorate this text. So I'll select the text and I'll change the text size to 24. Okay. And I'll make this as bold. So I need to select this and I'm gonna make this as bold. Okay, now we need to decorate this like this Google Ads. So G would be in the green color, sorry, blue color. Then this one would be red. Then this one would be yellow. These two would be most probably blue again. And the last one would be Google Ads campaign performance report. So maybe I need to provide this space over here. So let's view it. Google Ads campaign performance report. Now we need to take this. Okay. So I'll go to the ad control section and I'm going to select this on data control. Okay. Data control fine. Then we need to add a difference control. Perfect. So we can select the difference using this month or last month. Okay, so let's select this month. Or we can select last 28 days. Okay, so let's view it. Perfect. Now we need to design these scorecards. Okay, so let's take the help of this shape again. Maybe we can reduce some height and we'll change the background color to this. Border radius would be 10. Add a border shadow. Then we'll be writing this text called KPIs. KPI. I'm gonna reduce the height and width of this actually. Maybe we can reduce, increase the text size and color would be. So we can drag these two up and we can increase the size to 24. Let's see it. I need to drag this to the top a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now we need to design these scorecards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that. So let's take the shape again. Then we'll be changing the background color to white. Let's view that. Maybe we can reduce some height and width. Okay, so let's do this again. Then we want, we can add border radius. Add a border shadow. Then we can copy this for the next 5 times. It copied, so let's copy it again and paste it. Two, three, four, maybe we can adjust them, and this would be the last one. This is the 6th one. So what I can do, I can select all of them and make this as group. Align top. It is not selected, so let's select this one as well. Okay, now let's use some scorecards. So I'll go to the X chart and I'm gonna add a scorecard. I'm gonna copy this scorecard and paste it. Okay. Perfect. Now we need to change this matrix name. So first one is clicks. So let's go to the setup section. And clicks is okay. Now we need this comparison matrix. Okay, so let's go to here and enable this comparison difference, the previous period, and hit apply. Okay, then the next matrix would be cost. So I'm gonna change from clicks to cost. Perfect. Now we need to add the comparison difference with the previous period. Then the next metric would be CTR. So I'm gonna change from clicks to CTR. I'll add this comparison difference, previous period, and hit apply. Then the next metric would be conversions, conversion rate, cost per conversion. So this one would be conversion. Then I'm gonna add comparison difference, the previous period, conversion rate, conversion rate, the previous field, and this one would be cost per conversion. Let's view it. Okay, perfect. Maybe we need to change the label color to dark black. Okay, for all the scorecards or all the metrics. Yes, so let's change it. So third one is done. Let's change for the fourth one. Let's change for the fifth one. And this would be for the last one. Okay. Maybe we can reduce the height for this shape because we don't need to give this much of height for this shape. Okay. Then let's design for this. So this is the table for campaign performance, and this is the pie chart for his ranges. Okay. So let's take the shape again. Okay. Now we are going to be changing the shape background color as white, border radius as 10, and I'm going to add border shadow. Okay. Now we need to add this table. So we're going to be adding the table. Now we need to decorate this table. So the dimension would be campaign. So let's go to the setup section and select the dimension as campaign. And as the metrics, we are going to be taking clicks, cost, conversion rate. So clicks, then cost, then conversions and conversion rates. Conversion rate. Okay, so let's customize this. So clicks, cost, conversions. Perfect. So let's view it. Now we need to change this color to green. So let's select it. Let's go to the style section. Font color. Oh, table label color. No, not this one. Not this one actually. This one should be black for the time being. Table label colored. This one most probably. No, not this one. Yeah, table background color. This one. Yeah. And I need to change the font color to white. Perfect. So let's view it. Perfect. Now we need to decorate this or design this. So let's go to the edit section and I'm gonna be adding a chart, pie chart. Okay, so let's go to the setup section and from here we're gonna be selecting the dimension as is ranges age. Okay. Let's view it. So what I can do is I can drag this to the top. Okay, perfect. Maybe we need to increase size of this. Okay, let's do it. Perfect. Now we need to design this table. So let's take this shape again and maybe we can reduce the height for this. Okay. So let's take this shape. And I'm gonna change the background color to white. I'll add border radius of 10. I'll add border shadow. Then I'll add a table. So let's select this table, and in the dimension we're gonna be adding city, and as the matrix we're gonna be adding conversions. So let's go to the setup section and change this dimension from S to city, and as the matrix I'll be selecting conversions. So city and conversions, let's view it. Okay, now we need to do one thing. We need to add bar. Okay, so let's select this and go to the style, and I'll go to the matrix section, and from number I'll be changing this to bar. You can see over here. Perfect. Then you can change the font color to dark black. And the last thing we need to do is we need to add this time series for conversions and conversion rates. Okay, so I'll be adding a chart called time series, and I'm gonna add this time series over here. Now I'll go to the setup section, and I'll keep this as day. Conversion rate is there, so I'm gonna add conversions. I can put conversion at number 1 and conversion rate at number 2. Then I'm gonna be adding this comparison difference with the previous period. Hit apply. Then if I go to the style, I can make some adjustment with the color. If you want to show the point, you can do that. Then as the line color, I'll be giving this color. I'll giving the show point. Okay, now let's view it. So you can see the matrix. So this is how you can make a report like this. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page, and additionally if you need to make this sort of reports for your Google Ads